Hi, welcome. I'm Priscilla Batzell. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery's demonstrations and tutorials. Let's have some fun. July, we'll say it's 9. 2025. Go now. So I've got a pre-primed black 10 by 10 inch canvas and a pan of colors that I just used to make a little sunburst and a scoop. And I'm thinking about putting some more of the same colors in and then adding some black. This is Cyan Aqua. I never did put any deep frozen amethyst in there. Or any blue. Snapdragon. Yep. Which is every bit as much more purple than blue. That's not opening for me. Makes me want red violet. Yep, that's good. I'm going to have too much paint in a second. While I was over there, paint colors that I need to mix soon are tickled pink. And I'm going to add some majestic blue. I'll list the colors from the previous painting. Never did put any real blue in there. I've got blue flame. I might just take a shovel. Although I have refuse that I haven't used that I might want to. Which is just some part of packaging that I saw a scoop in and decided to remove it. That's dazzling white. My gold has sealed itself up, but not for long. I'm not going to mind that. I'm going to definitely hit it with the black if it's open. Got nothing to lose. Put my other scoop. I've got other scoops. Didn't get very much of my red violet. I wish I had. This might be the last time I use this scoop as well. Although there are some cool aspects to it. I still want to use my shovel. I'm going to restrain myself and use another scoop. Because I absolutely love the pattern I'm seeing. I want to rescue and apply. I love the black lines in there. I want all that paint out of there and I'm not getting it. I suppose in a pinch, if I don't like it at all, I can always swipe. That might be kind of fun. But I'm hoping something turns around and I start to like it more. Definitely not adverse to using all the paint. Might even indulge in some spirals, you can never tell. This thing in the middle is kind of bugging me. So I'm hoping to change it with a loop-de-loop. Maybe some dots would help. Something. But at least I've almost used up my paint. I really kind of want to swipe. I could find a really small palette knife. Doesn't mean it'll work. Not going to use this box again anytime soon. I can tell you I've got ones I enjoy a lot more than this. Pick up all my excess paint. Get creative. Well, I've gotten away with things before, but this is not making me happy yet. Grab my smallest brush. I wonder what would happen if I put toothy tools in there. I have no idea. The paint's too heavy, but I can try it. Kind of like it way better than I did a minute ago. Like way. Like now it's cool. Magical Amazing Rescue. Another one. I've had a few recently. No, I'm pretty happy with that actually. I'm surprised. That one thing can go. There, I like that better. finding marks is fun. Well, I'm really thinking a few dots isn't going to hurt anything. It's always amazing to me how well dots work to camouflage. Or to enhance, better word. This is a little tiny nail art tool. One with the point on the end. And the pink is tickled pink. Okay. I don't think I've forgotten much. Thank you for being here. Thank you for the compliments that keep my morale boosted. Thank you for the donations that help keep me painting. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. I really appreciate you guys being here. If you watch longer or watch some of the commercials or make a comment, those things are all super helpful to me. My creative playlists are on my YouTube channel. And if you go to my YouTube channel banner, you'll find the PayPal icon. Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links on my link tree. My community board will show you tomorrow's videos. If you have questions or you want the paint pouring recipe, ask me questions. It will. The paint pouring recipe is below Show More. When you click Show More, you're going to find my email address. Thank you for everything. Shop my Amazon link, please. You can buy anything you want from there. And my 2 books are there, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities, volumes 1 and 2. Thank you again for being here. I love you guys dearly. You inspire the heck out of me. Bye for now. Priscilla out.